Konsehal, ito muna, ilan po ang kumpirmadong patay, ilan po ang injured kung meron man, at ilan pa po ang missing?
Well, as of the latest, sir, we have rescued around 10 individuals at saka may isang casualty tayo. No? The last na na-rescue natin, mga bandang 12:00 kagabi, isang lalaki. And then previous to that is around 9 o'clock, isang babae. But then we believe there are still around, as of the latest count, may 31 pa tayo na who believe that are still trapped inside the crash site ng MRF facility
Opo.
doon sa Maong yung sa landfill na lugar.
Okay, opo. Ito pong landfill na ito, ang kanya pong exact location, please?
Sa Binalyo, Barangay Binalyo, this is a mountain barangay.
Okay.
This is around 250 meters above sea level.
Opo. Ito pong landfill na ito, may kaukulan po itong permit from the authorities?
Yes, they've been existing and operational since 2018, sir.
Okay. And then, ano po ang kanyang present permit? Wala ho ba siyang mga recorded violations so far?
Well, in the past, there was a series of violation. The usual, yung smell, yung odor, and then there was also incidents of medyo yung ilang bahagi ng landfill na medyo landslide yung mga basura. No, there was incident in the past. In fact, just last month, sir, I delivered a privilege speech regarding this matter. No, kasi when yung typhoon hit Cebu, yung bridge that connects to the landfill may problema. So talagang we really have a hard time in disposing our garbage because yung ruta patungo doon medyo malayo na, no? So there's a series of privilege speech I made and observation also from other individuals regarding its operation.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami, hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!